Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to type promo code in Temu. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. And guys, remember that the $100 coupon code bundle and 30% discount is only for Temu new users. So now with that said, once you are on Temu guys, in order for you to type the promo code in Temu, just simply go ahead and tap on the search bar at the very top. And from here, guys, just simply type in the promo code that I provided down below and just simply type in ACR 697477. And from here, guys, you will get a 30% discount and a $100 coupon code. And guys, you can also click on my link in the description to also get the same effect without typing into the search bar. So it will be just the same. And from there, you'll be able to type in the promo code in Temu. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!